Why do we care about paleontology? Well, it's the history of life on Earth.
I grew up fairly near here and collected fossils as a high school student.
When I was a kid growing up, I was probably 4 years old, I got my first dinosaur book and I got hooked and decided that I wanted to be a paleontologist one day.
The Royal Tyrrell Museum, more than just a place to look at fossils. Behind these displays is a team of research scientists, paleontologists and geologists, dedicated to unlocking the secrets of Alberta's prehistoric past.
They are some of the best in the world in the areas that they study. What we're trying to do is recreate the whole Earth and the environment at the time when the dinosaurs were here. So we have a group of experts who can study rocks, who study the environment that the dinosaurs lived in, the different kinds of animals and plants. We have the real fossils here. We have a team of researchers that are working today.
Each member of the research team has a specialty, a certain way of exploring the past. Together, these scientists at the Royal Tyrrell Museum tackle some of the most daunting ancient mysteries in the natural world. The galleries of the Royal Tyrrell Museum. If you're looking for amazing dinosaur displays, you've come to the right place. But if you're thinking this is just old bones, think again.
When a person comes and sees the Tyrrell, they see the gallery and they're just seeing the tip of the iceberg.
Behind the scenes, we have a whole series of programs running. We have a team of researchers. We have a collections management facility which houses the fossils that are not on display. We have educational programs. We have a design team.
But it's even more than that. It's a way that Alberta has been able to showcase one aspect of its natural history to the entire world. And it's been, in that way, it's been remarkably successful.
All science starts in the imagination. Curiosity, a need to know how it all fits together. How does the natural world work? So many questions.
How did the plants change over time?
One of the things I'm trying to do is understand the communities, how the animals lived and interacted.
I'm very interested in the effects of climate change on fish.
It's about reconstructing the world in which dinosaurs lived and how dinosaurs lived as well as other animals.
Say you have a newspaper, one from the time of the dinosaurs, which told you what the world was like on that day. Problem is, it's 65 million years old, so it's not in the best shape anymore. Sure, a part of the paper is there, but most of it is missing. That's what paleontology is like, collecting scraps and trying to understand the whole story. In this case, what life on Earth was like millions of years ago. And how do you answer that question? You need a method, a scientific method.